Here is my potatoes and eggs that I boiled, and I like to put them in a wire rack to cool off before I peel them. Today I'm going to make old-fashioned potato salad, and I got this recipe from a vintage Betty Crocker recipe book, and I have made this several times through the years, and my family just love it. I really don't care much for store-bought potato salad, and I prefer to make it myself. So I am going to show you what to do. So here is the potato that I boiled earlier, and it has cooled off, so I went ahead and get it ready. And I have onion, mustard, relish, mayonnaise, 2 stalks of celery that I sliced, 4 hard-boiled eggs that I sliced. I am going to use pink salt and black pepper, ground black pepper. So let's start. So now I'm gonna put the mayonnaise in a mixing bowl. By the way, the recipe is down in the description below. The relish, the mustard, then I mix it, stir it together. That looks good. I'm going to add the salt, maybe a half a teaspoon of salt, a dash of black pepper, mix it again. Red potatoes because they are sweet. I put in the onion. I normally use red onion, but I don't have one right now, so I'm using the sweet onion. The 2 stalks of celery. Then I just mix it together. And then I drop in the sliced egg. Let me see. And then refrigerate it for 4 hours. Then it should be ready. But you can basically eat it like it is. Yum, yum. Refrigerate it for 4 hours and enjoy. So here is the old-fashioned potato salad. It's ready for the table, and I can't wait. I have the recipe in the description below. It's really easy and it's worth it. Thanks for watching. Bye.